Hi everyone, this is Hussein from EJ Academy. Today we have another session going over a differentiation problem. So I'm going to read the objective of this video. By watching this video, you will learn the following in differentiation: the quotient rule and the product rule. So Amir is here. He's going to help me to solve this problem. So the problem is finding the derivative of f of x, which is equal to x times sine of x divided by e to the x. So Amir, so welcome, and floor is yours.
Thank you, Hussein, for the introduction. Hello, everybody. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we have product rule and quotient rule we want to learn. Let me write the function of f of x. So we want to obtain f prime of x, which is going to be x sine of x over e to the power of x. The whole thing, we are going to have the differentiation. Okay, let me write down the quotient rule on this side.
That's great.
So when we have a function of f over g, f and g all are in terms of x, the differentiation of this one is
with respect to x.
Yes, yeah, with respect to x. Yeah, that's a prime note, which means that we have the derivative with respect to x. So it's going to be f prime times g minus f times g prime divided by g squared.
Okay.
So that's the quotient rule, and the product rule for the same functions f times g in prime notation. The derivative of these guys are the first one, the derivative of the first one times g plus the derivative of the second one times f. So we are going to use these two rules to solve this problem. So going back to the problem itself, the numerator itself is, we use the product rule here. So this guy actually, for the f prime is actually itself the product rule. So we are gonna have this one. Okay. The derivative of the numerator times the denominator. So the derivative of the numerator is, I write like this,
x
times
sine of x prime
e over x minus numerator, which is here, x sine of x times the derivative of the denominator, which is here.
Right.
So the derivative of e of x.
Correct. The whole numerator is divided by the square of the denominator.
Correct. Am I right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
That's correct.
So let me scroll down. So the derivative of this guy is equal to the, something like this, the product rule.
Right. You're going to use the product rule to solve.
The derivative of the x, which is 1 times sine of x plus the derivative of the second one. Second one, I mean the sine of x.
Sine of x.
Yeah. So times the first one, x times cosine of x. So the derivative of the sine of x is cosine of x times the first one.
Okay.
So we have here. So the whole thing is multiplied by e of x.
Correct.
Which we have here. Minus x sine of x.
Correct.
Times the derivative of this guy. So we know that the derivative of E of x is equal to itself. So it's going to be E of x.
Correct.
So E of x divided by, okay, no problem. E of x to the power of 2.
You can simplify that and
That's
say
correct. Yeah. So I can
e to 2x.
Yes, yeah. I can cancel out this guy, and this guy, and in the denominator.
Actually, you for the denominator, you just get rid of one of the powers.
Yeah. Then we have this one. So
the power reduced to 1. Right.
That's correct. So, okay. It's going to be sine of x plus x cosine of x minus x sine of x.
Right.
Divided by E of x. Am I right?
Right. Correct.
Yeah, and then we can simplify further. So we can say, okay, this function f prime of x is equal to 1 minus x sine of x. I actually consider these two guys together. Plus x cosine of x divided by E of x. So yeah, this guy is the solution of the problem.
All right, awesome. Thanks, Amir.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is all for today, and thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to get notified about future videos, hit the notification bell. And have a great day, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.